Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. First watch this, please subscribe our channel for more cooking recipes. Today, we're making something super delicious and iconic, Sri Lankan fish rolls. These crispy, flavorful rolls are a popular snack in Sri Lanka, and trust me, once you try them, you'll be hooked. Let's get started. Here's what you'll need. 200 g of canned tuna or fresh fish, boiled and flaked. 1 small onion, finely chopped. 2 green chilies, finely chopped. 1 sprig of curry leaves, chopped. 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder. 1/2 teaspoon of chili powder. 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. 1/2 teaspoon of mustard seeds. 1/2 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Salt to taste. 1 tablespoon of lime juice. 2 cups of breadcrumbs. 2 eggs, beaten. Oil for frying. Spring roll wrappers or roti wraps. Grated coconut for extra flavor. First, let's make the filling. Heat a little oil in a pan, and add the mustard seeds and cumin seeds. Let them splutter for a few seconds. Now, add the chopped onions, green chilies, and curry leaves. Saute until the onions turn golden brown. Next, add the turmeric powder, chili powder, black pepper, and salt. Mix well. Then, add the flaked fish and lime juice. Cook for about 3 to 4 minutes until everything is well combined. Turn off the heat and let the filling cool. Now, let's assemble the rolls. Take a spring roll wrapper and place about a tablespoon of the fish filling in the center. Fold the sides inward, then roll it up tightly. Seal the edge with a little water or egg wash. Repeat this until all the filling is used up. Once all the rolls are ready, dip each one into the beaten egg, then coat it generously with breadcrumbs. This will give them that perfect crunch when fried. Now, heat some oil in a pan for deep frying. Once the oil is hot, gently place the rolls in and fry them until they are golden brown and crispy. Make sure to turn them occasionally so they cook evenly. Once they are done, remove them and place them on a paper towel to drain any excess oil. And here they are, crispy, golden Sri Lankan fish rolls. Serve them hot with your favorite dipping sauce. They are perfect as a snack or even as a party appetizer. Wow, these are so good. The crispy exterior and the flavorful fish filling are just amazing. You've got to try these at home. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more delicious recipes. See you in the next video. Happy cooking!